Today, we're going to try a snack from the Philippines. It's called Cheesy Corn Crunch, and it's the cheddar jalapeno flavor. It says, outrageously spicy and cheesy. Made in the Philippines by the Leslie Corporation. Okay, you ready? What do you think it's going to taste like?
Cheetos.
Cheetos?
Really spicy Cheetos.
Yeah, they look like Cheetos. Kind of. Well, maybe. You want to smell it? Alright. It smells spicy, doesn't it? Okay. Let's try one. Here, pick one up. They look like this. You ready? They're good. Not as cheesy as Cheetos.
Mm-hmm.
What do they taste like to you?
A little bit of jalapeno with Cheetos with less cheese on it.
Less cheese. They taste almost a little bit sweet, like barbecue chips. You think they're a little bit sweet? Let's try one more. Cheers. Texture is about the same as a Cheeto. Flavor is not at all like a Cheeto, I don't think. Looks like a Cheeto, doesn't taste like a Cheeto. Tastes kind of like a spicy, cheesy barbecue. What do you think?
It's really good.
Really good? You want another one? Yeah. Alright. Well, do you think we would give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Up.
Up, I do too. I think maybe the only thing I don't like is the creepy guy on the package. Why is this guy peering at us while we eat our snack? That doesn't make any sense. And it's creepy, right? Other than that, it's very good.